Welcome to Ruger Tech Tips. I'm going to show you on the American Generation 2 rifle on how to remove the muzzle brake. Some of these can be difficult to take off, so I'm just going to show you the process for doing that. A couple of tools you're going to need for that are, you're going to need some kind of a tape, like a painter tape, something like that. You're going to need the appropriate size wrench for your muzzle brake, and they vary by caliber. This particular is a 400 Legend and uses a 3/4 inch wrench. Yours may differ, so just get the appropriate size wrench. Obviously, you're going to need a pair of safety glasses. You're going to need some type of barrel clamp. This is just a wheeler, works well, and a good solid bench vise. You're going to need to put some torque on this to unscrew this and retorque it back on once you reinstall it. So those are the basic tools you're going to need. So I'm going to get this clamped up and show you how to take that off. So to do this, I've removed the bolt from the rifle. I've also checked the magazine and the chamber for any live ammunition. I don't need any ammunition for this process. I've removed it from the area. You don't want to mar up the finish on this, so I'm going to use just a strip of painter's tape on the flats where I'm going to put the wrench on. And I'm just going to slide my wrench over there. It should be a snug fit. Now, occasionally you'll get some of these where you go to pull it off, it doesn't want to unscrew. You may need to use a dead blow hammer just to give that a tap to drive that off. In most cases, you'll just pull it off, it'll give a snap and it'll come off. Okay, so I just popped off, and then it's just a matter of removing your muzzle brake. Right. Very, very simple. Now, reinstallation, it is basically the same process in reverse. You're going to want to apply painter's tape to that. When you screw this back on, it is 10 foot-pounds of torque to torque that back on, regardless of the caliber. Use the right size wrench with tape, torque that on to 10 pounds, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching this Ruger Tech Tip.